Yo. Good afternoon, good afternoon. It's currently 3:02 p.m. Pacific time. We're going to do a little backtesting session, and it's just going to be a quick one. See if I can extract a little 10-pointer out of NQ. This is a random day, October 17th. I'm going to skip to morning session, and we'll see if we can get some. We're going to go to right before 10. I usually trade between 10 and 12. Sometimes if I get on earlier, I'll see what's up, but sometimes that open and that Judas swing be kind of crazy. So I have the 1 minute chart and the 5 second. We're just gonna see what we got. So let's go. We're at 10 times right now. Big drop off. So unless there's something. Let's see, 1502. 1583. So we already took a low over there. It's hard to see. Let's get up here. That 5 seconds gonna be moving quick. Let's slow that down. Clearly bearish. I mean, just look at the 1 minute, and if 1 minute is my higher time frame, you know, it's pretty easy to see. I'm not looking at 1 hour PD raise and shit like that. It's just a 1 minute. We're going down, and then we can expect a retracement, of course. So over here we have an imbalance right here. We have some liquidity, and then I have a automatic, you know, limit bracket order setup. It's just 10 point stop loss, 10 point take profit. So right now we're in a little retracement. I'm expecting a retracement back up to here, but you know, it's the market can do whatever it wants, you know, no matter how many lines you put on here or whatever. You always have the possibility of being wrong. So really what I just want to do is get in flow with the 1 minute and try to be on the right side of the market. And one thing that's good about trading the lower time frames is if you miss one setup, you'll get another one. Like before, when I was trading on the 1 hour and 15-minute setups, it's like if you miss one, you might miss the whole thing for the week. And I hated that. And it's like you miss out on so much chart time because it's like, oh, don't sit in front of the charts all fucking day, just wait for your setup. But if you miss it, you missed out on profit. You missed out on, just watching the candles form, price action. You miss out on all that. So I was studying a bunch of the higher time frame stuff, which I totally get, and maybe eventually I'll go back to our time frame, but I like the lower time frame just because there's so many opportunities. And if you could nail in if you could get a nice strategy going on the 1 minute and perfect it, there's like endless opportunities, you know what I mean? And Ninja Trader charting isn't as good as TradingView, of course. Like, I don't even know how to link these two charts, but this replay feature is nice. So you see we had a nice retracement. Let's see if we get this. I'm just looking for a retracement here. Maybe I'll get short somewhere up here if we get that. Then we have a high at 0.88 that, I would probably switch to short-term bullish if we break that high. So, and I usually market order in. Sometimes when I'm a little bit slower or a little bit more hesitant, I get late entries, but it's only like a point or two off. So, all right, I think I'm gonna get short here. Just keep the stop up there. And actually, you know, I could put my stop here. And if I get stopped out, I'll try to re-enter again. This isn't actually my main kind of play right here. This is just trying to get in tune with order flow. And now we're at 5 points. As soon as we make a, might get stopped out, but if we make a lower high and then break structures to the downside, I'll move my stop to break even. But it doesn't look like looks like we're gonna get stopped out. That's what, 5 point stop loss, so it's 1 to 2, and that's fine on the 1 minute, right? We're in a retracement. I'm just going to anticipate lower prices until, you know, market structure breaks somewhere up here. So I'm okay with the trade. We may have to come back up here and take liquidity one more time, or maybe up here. Or we'll wait for it to get bullish on this break up here. So, and what I'm trying to do is not really see trades as like a win or loss. You know, it's just taking a trade based off your model, based off what you've been studying and back testing, and that's it. You know, I'm not a shitty person because I took a loss. You know, everything's not a waste because I take a loss. Excuse me. If we preserve this high, I'll go short. Nope. Alright, so we may be looking to break structure up here. Unless this is just a sweep of liquidity. Looks like it's kind of lagging. And when you're scalping too, like you could get in on any of these fucking moves, like down here and here along, you know, counter trend with the trend. It's whatever you're fucking, whatever floats your boat. So we broke this high right here with the candle closure, so I'm a little weary of taking a reversal from right here down. So what I would, if we are indeed bullish, I'll probably want to see like this area get tapped into, and I'll take a long back up. Or if we create a low somewhere right here, I'll look for something like that. Didn't quite get that low. 10 a.m. news, I don't know if there was news today. And so I'm just gonna let it play out. We didn't break this high up here on the 1 minute, but we may be looking to get there. So, oh, there we go. 5 seconds is so fast. We took this liquidity down here, so I'm gonna get long. Keep my stop there. If we come back and take this low, I'm gonna just assume we're gonna chop around. If we break these highs on the next short-term low, I'll move my stop to break even. And there's target, plus 85 on this day. Since we took one loss, let's see if we can find another opportunity. We broke this high on the 1 minute. I'd rather see a candle closure, a body closure above this high at 0.88. Before being actually convinced, but you know, just if you look at this, right, it's bullish. There's no doubt about it. I'm putting in higher highs, higher lows, so I'm not gonna just guess that we're gonna reverse, right? We're gonna ride the trend until price action tells us. So if I see prices below here, somewhere in here, or maybe down here, I'll look to get long. I'm gonna see a green candle here and a pullback. I see a green candle here. Nope. Putting in a double low, double bottom, double low. So we might be coming to this imbalance, or we may be. I'm gonna get long if we get a retracement here. Oh, that was quick, bro. I needed to come back down in here. Yeah. I was gonna say I probably could have got long right there. But you never know. Put in this double bottom, take this high out, sweep this one more time. See, good thing I didn't go long. Would have got stopped out. Let's see. Yeah, I'm a little unsure here. Candle closure above here. If we get another retracement down here, maybe I'll get long. No candle closure, double top. Let's see if this low is preserved. And this isn't financial advice, guys. I'm just doing my best to read price action and practice. We're taking out these lows, double top. So we may be coming down here, actually, and maybe we'll just continue down. Put in this double top right here. But this is where it gets kind of muddy, man. You know, you get lost in the sauce right here. It's bullish, but this might be just a sweep of liquidity to take us higher. So I think, I'm not sure. When you're not sure, maybe just sit around, yeah? Had this big push down. So even if we chop around in here, low consolidation could be expected. And that's one of my issues too, is I'm always trying to catch a trend, and sometimes it's just not trending. And you need to be trading like the highs and lows of the range. But that just comes with experience, you know. And hopefully I'll put some music in the background that's kind of chill, you know, just not just my voice. Alright. A little fake up. Take out this liquidity down there. Each one of these 5-second candles is like 5 points, you know. So there's a lot of opportunity in there. On the 1 minute, you know, this could just be a sweep of liquidity. And then you have double top here. So we could be going to take out this low at 71. Or do we listen to this 5-second double bottom? Alright, so my initial thoughts were correct. We got to close above this high at 88, a retracement, and now a nice push up. I wouldn't have been able to get involved with this because even after we make a double bottom, I would still want to see a retracement, you know, back in a discount on the 5-second basis. And so I may not be able to touch this And like sometimes in the morning, you know, depending on the emotions or how the night went with the baby, it's like, oh, I could just fucking gamble this, bro. Like if you get in on any of these candles, you would have been cool for 5-10 points. But is that really a setup? So that's a really important question to ask, you know, if you're trying to work on discipline. As far as where we could come up here, back down, and then go up. But this thing is moving. And this is where you just sit there and do nothing. Like I don't even see a spot that's like high probability in here to retrace to. And this video is already 15 minutes long, so well, Jared, why don't you just fast forward? Well, because I might miss some shit on the 5-second, bro. We have this high right here. So, not my favorite, you know, type of trades up here after such a huge ass move. Because you don't really know where it's gonna stop. So, but what you could do is take a short down, you know. And so let me try to take a short here. I want it to get a little bit higher. This isn't my favorite kind of play though, the counter trend. Because sometimes when I take the counter trend, it's just like, oh, short here, boop, straight up to my stop loss. So you know what? Let me just wait. Let me just wait for the long, because I think we are going to at least, you know, up here, 35, 40. I'll get long if we get down in this gray area here. If we put in a failure swing right there, nope. We moving. I think this is still an area we could get long though. Jared, you missed the whole move. Why didn't you get in? It's not in the plan, bro. It's not in the plan. I took this trade right here. 10-point scalp. A little consolidation. And I didn't see, there's no entry here for me. You know, maybe you see something, but we have this imbalance here, but I would like to see it get lower than this. Double top. Let's see what we get right here. If I take a long from up here, I'll choke the trade and push my stop hella high. Okay, so I don't think this pink line's happening. So let's see if we can tap back down into this wick, maybe. Sometimes it just doesn't give you what you're looking for, man. And some days I'll be more aggressive and just hop in. And some days I'll be more hesitant. But definitely, in hindsight, you see it pop 10 points in 5 seconds. I could have took this long right here. But I wanted it just a little bit lower. But I think even in this candle would have been cool. So let me see. Damn, 20-minute video. I gotta wait for a trade now. Have some imbalances in here. Took these highs right here. I don't know. Around this time, everybody's getting excited to go long. I can see them saying, "Fuck you, bye bye." But let's see what we get here. Maybe take a short from this imbalance up here, back down here. I would like to see this. One more tap back down, and then I'll look to get long. Since I'm recording a video, I'm feeling like I need to take a trade, which is also the problem with going live too. You got people watching you looking for action and shit. Right into this imbalance. Fuck. I want one more try lower, man. But we broke this high. Let's see, 55, 48, 7-point stop. Yep, I almost got long here. But that 5 seconds quick. You can't be hesitating, man. And look at that. I was just trying to see how far the stop loss is. And we already went 10 points. So that's already how many opportunities just talking to myself. And it hasn't even been, we started this at what, like 9:55 or something. Like, it's only been 15 minutes. And so if you could just practice something like scalping this, that's crazy opportunities. But also it's hard, man. The 5-second chart, it's quick. As fast as it can move up, it could, as fast as it hits your stop. Getting a little consolidation here. Like, in moves like this, I have no idea. Like, it could just not, you don't know where it's gonna bounce from. So it would be even better to just probably just short after like a market structure shift back to the downside. But you have to, it might just be a retracement, so you can't hold it to these lows. Let's see what we got right here. Watch, I'm gonna try and get long here, and it's gonna be the wrong one. Move my stop up. Come on, break this high. If I was already green for the day, I might just choke this trade to this low. Look at that, so close to 10. Oh, that shit tapped, bruh. Get me out of there. There you go. So guys, I'm just gonna end the video right there. I hope talking through some of the trades, what I'm looking for, and in my mind anyways, like, another thing you gotta realize is that your trading is your trading, bro. Your brain is your brain. So even if you're looking at someone's specific model, their schematic, it's like your brain is gonna see it when it's live differently. And that's why ICT has like the breakers, order blocks, like whatever your brain sees is what you should focus on. So you know, that's pretty much how the day goes. I mean, how long was that? It's been 25 minutes in this video, but I started what? Yeah, it's only been like 10 minutes in real time. I guess however long the video is, whatever. And this is my day. 285 on the day. Let's multiply or divide that. 285 divided by an 8-hour day. That's at $35 an hour. But I really just traded for 20 minutes. And so that's why I started scalping again, and that's why this is what I'm going to stick with for the foreseeable future. Hope you guys gained some insight or picked something up, and if not, I hope you guys have fun watching me get left by the 5-second price action. So appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you find it valuable, and if not, well, fuck me then. Apex Trader Funding is still having a 71% sale. I got the link down below if you want to go ahead and purchase that, and I'll put the discount code down there as well. Y'all take it easy. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.